When Jesus chose to come to this world, that is the time where his sufferings started, because it is not a small thing that a creator becoming a creation. He has to leave the heaven, he has to leave his throne, he has to leave his glory, he has to leave everything, and like a human being, a common, a normal person like you and me, he should come into this world. He should live for a 33 and a half years, and after that he is going to die. And that's death is not at all a common death, but it is such a horrible death. He has to be faced. Jesus know everything. Knowingly he accepted to go through the sufferings. And isn't it great that Jesus started suffering from the very first day when he chose to come into the womb of the Mary? Such a hard thing it is that he should stay 9 months in the womb, and after the birth he should be under the control of the parents. His glory was veiled, says the Bible. 33 and a half years is a suffering. He was not born in a king's palace. No. Jesus says, I have no place even to keep my head. Even the foxes have, but I don't have. He never lied. That means it is true. He didn't enjoy the expensive cars. He didn't enjoy the wonderful buildings. He didn't enjoy the bed. He didn't enjoy a costly life. No, he chose to live a poor life. He was born in a poor family. He was brought up in a poor family where they can't even spend at least a small calf for him, because when Jesus was brought to the temple for purification, what happened? They brought the doves. That means it shows how poor the Mary and Joseph were. Friends, for me, I say he chose to suffer right from the birth. It was not easy, but Jesus, he knew everything. He had to work hard under his father. Joseph was a carpenter, and surely Jesus might have helped Joseph in the work. Jesus was a hard worker. So the sufferings were not just for 1 week. Sufferings was not just for 40 days. No, he suffered for 33 and a half years, and let me add, till today he is suffering for you and me. He is not free. He is not taking rest in the heaven. He is still interceding for you and me till today. Each time when we go against the word, such a painful to Jesus it is, that he asked Father, please forgive them. When any believer again commits sin, the author of Hebrews says that we were trampling him again under our feet. It is painful. Even Jesus is suffering till today because of you and me. Many people are trampling him again and again. Jews have killed him. He suffered in that day just for few hours. But do you know, we Christians, so-called children of God, till today we are hurting him every day through the deeds we do, the way we see, the way we speak, the behavior. He is still suffering, friends.